Aloha tribu de la diosa, bienvenidos a mi canal El Bosque de Lua. Yo soy Lua y hoy os traigo este vlog acerca de las celebraciones de The Wild Hunt o la caza salvaje en Glastonbury, Avalon. Como os explicaba en el vídeo que hice en Samhain, en esta época ocurre la caza salvaje, la cacería salvaje, en la que el dios que está en el inframundo, después de haber muerto durante la cosecha, sale con los perros de la diosa para recoger a todas aquellas almas que han salido a lo mejor a visitar a sus familiares vivos y llevarlos de vuelta al inframundo, para llevar a todas esas almas perdidas que a lo mejor se han quedado entre los mundos, para llevarlas con la diosa, para que puedan regenerarse y volver a nacer. En Glastonbury se celebra esta tradición y, como veréis, está un poco mezclada también con las tradiciones de la lucha entre el dios del verano o dios roble y el dios del invierno o dios acebo, a los que además podéis ver en esta procesión. Se dice que en esta época el dragón rojo y el dragón blanco de la mitología británica luchan, y el dragón blanco representa al invierno y el dragón rojo representa al verano. Durante la celebración de Samhain, los dragones rojo y blanco salen a la calle y en esta lucha el dragón del invierno vence, el dragón blanco vence en esta época del año y tendrá su reinado durante todo el invierno. Mientras que en las celebraciones de Beltane los dragones vuelven a salir a la calle y es en esta ocasión el rojo el que vence, dando lugar a los meses de verano. En Glastonbury el dios del invierno es Gwyn, el rey de las hadas, aquel que habita en el centro del laberinto. Y si queréis saber más sobre él, os dejaré por aquí arriba el vídeo sobre el laberinto que hice hace poco en el canal, y ahí podéis saber todo sobre él, sobre esta figura enigmática de Gwyn. Y para aquellos que nunca hayáis visto cómo se celebra Samhain o estos rituales de la llegada del invierno y de cómo vence el dios del invierno, en este caso Gwyn, para reinar durante toda esta época, os invito a que sigáis viendo este vídeo, donde podréis ver el ritual llevado a cabo por las organizaciones paganas en Glastonbury en las faldas del Torno. Espero que os guste. Si es así, dadle un like. Ya sabéis que me podéis seguir en mis redes sociales. Soy The Forest of Goddess en Instagram y El Bosque de la Diosa en Facebook, y suscribíos para más vídeos como este en el canal. Nos vemos muy pronto. ¡Chao!
My Lord is waiting for somebody to take his horn. Standing still, you'll have to move.
walk along.
Said what we would like you to do now. This dance will degenerate into a Cornish serpent dance. I'm sure we've got plenty of people here who know how to serpent dance. So once you see them start doing the serpent dance, then please, some of you, please feel free to come and join in. We want to get people dancing. Let's try.
I'm not doing it next year!
That's fine by me, Jim. Honour to the Gwyn men for lighting the fire. With the fire lit, and our winter king Gwyn up neath ground. The drummers will now play in honour of our dragons who've led us here, who facilitate in the turning of the wheel of the year. Hail the dragons! Hail the dragons! Hail! Hail! You're not cold anymore, are you?
And guardians of intellect. We ask that they bring forth those who died elderly, full of knowledge and wisdom, so that they may speak with their children and grandchildren this night. In Gwyn's presence they make him stronger, more able to decipher between those who would do harm and those who intend none, granting freedom from miscommunication. We call them forth until the light of this fire dies.
And welcome.
We honour the new, keeper of passion and guardians of vigour. We call forth those who have died in their formative years, full of vitality and veracity, so they may speak again with their parents, siblings and friends. In Gwyn's presence he grows stronger, more able to temper the hot-headedness of youth and temper the anger of those who have passed before their time. Before the light of this fire dies.
Hail and welcome.
We honour the dusk, keeper of emotion and all feeling. We ask they bring forth those ripped from this world as children, those taken when all they had to guide them through this world was pure emotion, so that they may unite once more with their parents who miss them. In Gwyn's presence they make him stronger, more able to convey that emotion in a way that can be understood, feel their sadness, their happiness, their joy and their jealousy. We call them forth until the light of this fire dies.
Hail and welcome.
We honour the midnight, keepers of stability and balance. We ask that they bring forth those who are taken in the prime of their life, full of knowledge and wise of how the world works, and the fact that we must own up to our actions and consequences that follow. In Gwyn's presence, it brings a rationality and togetherness for the souls about to come through. We honour them, taking them forth until the light of this fire dies.
Hail and welcome. Circle open and your ancestors but a step away. I'll place the names you've given me onto the fire, so each one knows you are here. Each one knows that you care. Not there. There we go. Woo! Hail to your ancestors!
of your ancestors. Come here to the fair field, which is the gateway to my domain, which is Annwn, where your ancestors dwell. The veil is thin, will soon be drawn back, and you may spend some precious moments with them. Summer, a bit long, hot, sometimes too hot. Many things have wilted, died. Sap is now retreating in those things that remain, so that it may take the cold, wet months. Some healing time. I urge you to do the same during the winter months. Keep yourselves warm, hold each other close. Do not let harm come to one another. The circle has been opened, and now the veil is drawn back. Take this time to remember your ancestors. Time once again to say farewell. Keep the memories of them with you at all times, but let them go back to their rest. In Annwn they will be protected. This is now the winter. I give honour to the dragons. Give honour to the drummers. Give honour to the elements. And I give honour to you all. Hail, farewell.
Honour to Gwyn ap Nudd! There will be a small amount of entertainment in this enclosure for those wishing to stay. For those who are feeling the cold, hunger, I bid you a warm welcome. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Until we meet again upon summer year, hail and farewell.